Head.
Well, here you have our treasure. This is the cheek of the black pork.
The black pork?
Yes,
Okay.
guancialino di maiale. Cheek. It's cooked into the Lambrusco wine, cooked for 5 hours into the wine. And to eat, you have to use only the fork and not the knife.
Okay.
If you wanna try to cut with the fork, I try with the spoon now, only for you.
Okay.
For the video. Look here, it's very.
Oh
very,
man, it's very tender. It comes right off.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's fantastic.
Okay.
And then the roast potato.
Right.
This is another thing. It's a new recipe of our menu of our kitchen, and pudding of artichokes.
Pudding of artichokes.
Yes.
Okay.
Pudding. And you have also, I'll show you if you can see, this is the parmesan fondue, and then on the top you can find also the ragu di strogliino. It's a different type of ragu. It's not the traditional ragu made with meat. Okay?
Fantastic. Thank you so
Then
much.
you have to eat and enjoy these plates.
All right.
Okay?
Orazio, thank you so much.
Thank you, Robert.
Grazie mille.
Questo qua è